Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Labubu. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start by drawing the shape of the head. We'll start with a large curve across. Then from the ends, let's curve it down and bring it in. And then close it off at the bottom with a curve across. Now top and side, and near the top here, let's draw a V-shaped point down. And let's draw a zigzag line out on both sides. Now let's continue it outwards. And then work our way down on both sides like this. Now inside the top section, let's draw some diagonal lines for the fur. Now let's move inside the bottom section and let's draw the eyes. Let's start by drawing two curves out and up like this. Then underneath, let's draw a curve down and back up. Now inside each eye, let's draw a curve down and let's curve it over to the right side. And color both of the right sections in black. Now top in between the eyes and let's draw the nose. Let's start with a small line across and a curve underneath. Now for the mouth, let's start on the left next to the eye and let's draw a curve down and bring it up. Now let's add the teeth underneath. In the center, let's draw a V-shaped point out to the left and the same on the right side. And now let's work our way out on both sides like this. And that's it for the face. Lastly, let's hop on top and let's draw the ears. Let's start on the top left and let's draw a curve up and bring it down. And the same on the right side. Next, inside each ear, let's draw two curves that meet at a point on the top and bottom. And that's it for Labubu. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!